Hi students, we are today going to see about the first lesson in political science, which is democracy. Okay. Before dealing with democracy, what is democracy? We must know about some other rules which are related to democracy so that you can understand what is democracy is. Okay. So I'll just explain. First is military. Second is monarchy. And third is communist regime. Okay. So I'll just first write, then I'll explain to you. These are all the kind of rules which you can see all over the world. Okay. When the human beings are evolved in this earth, they have started to gather together and they had a head called a leader, and they have used to follow the path of the leader for every kind of stuffs. Okay. So these has in a long run, this has become a monarchy. Monarchy is nothing but a country which is ruled by a king. Okay. So the particular person who was heading that team was called as the king of that nation. A king can be a king of a nation or a state or a particular region. You know, right? When in the previous standards you would have studied about Chola, Chera, Pandyas, these kind of kings in the history. Similarly, these heads are become kings of a country, and that rule is called a monarchy. Similarly, we have another rule called military. It is nothing but a rule which is headed by a person who is called as the military head, and he will have a militant force. We have, right, army, navy, and air force. So these kind of people who are heading those army forces will be the head of the state. They'll somewhat put some strategy to defeat the king of that nation or to defeat the prime minister of that nation, and they'll become the head of that state, and that rule is known as the military rule. And finally, we have a communist regime. Communist regime is somewhat okay when you compare with these kind of rules, because in communist regime you can have a party. That party is known as the Communist Party. Communist Party is the most oldest party in the world. This party has all the roots all over the world. India has a Communist Party, China has a Communist Party, Russia has a Communist Party. Every country has a Communist Party, because Communist Party is the first founded party, you can say. There are parties which are founded so long ago, but the Communist Party is the oldest party. So, in military, there are no parties. We see no DMK, ADMK, BJP, Congress. These kind of parties are there in our country, because our country is a democratic country. But there are no parties in a country which are under military rule, which are under monarchy. But you have a party in a communist regime, but there will be only one party, one single party, and that party is nothing but Communist Party. Okay. So, in a so-called term, these have become a very big problem for the people who are living in that country, because the people were not able to voice out their problems because of this monarchy and military things. Because the person who were heading this military thing, or the king who were heading this monarchy, and the person who was heading the communist party, also the communist country, were not listening to the people at all. They are become dictators of the country, and they are actually taking their own kind of